Everybody, welcome back to Outside Office Hours. Today we have another special video for you where we're going to review a new product. We were sent the Tmat truck bed organization system from the Tmat company so we could unbox it and review it. I want to clarify, this is not a paid promotion. We did receive the product for free, but we are not being paid to advertise it for sale. They want a full and honest review from the unboxing to us setting it up, and that's what we're going to give you. We are really excited to try this out though, because the back seat of the F-150 is religiously reserved for Apollo, the Doberman, so we don't really get to use it for storage space. So we are excited to try out something that makes the truck bed a little bit easier to organize and carry our camping and hiking gear. So let's get started. Okay, so it looks like we got some cardboard paper packing on top, and then all of the Tmat system in here in the box. So we're gonna get this unloaded so we can start putting it together. So we got these smaller single side pieces. I think that's so we can adjust the width to where the wheel wells are in the back of the truck. And then here we got our bigger parts that we'll unload. Here's the first blocker we unpacked. So these X's here will slide into the X's on the organization system, and that's how you can block the different products you put in. So we'll test that once we get it all set up. Also wanted to note, it comes with these adjustable blockers. I hadn't realized this when I looked at the product, but it's really cool. So it has this X on the back, so it'll clip into the system, and then you can just pull, get different lengths, and then if you squeeze these together, you can slide it back. So excited to try those out too. Okay, so we got it all unloaded. The first thing I wanted to mention is that it didn't come with instructions. Now that's not necessarily a complaint. They have a really good instructional video on the Tmat website. We'll put it in the description below, but highly recommend checking that out before you put it together, because there are no instructions in the box, but that's okay. Saving paper, not killing trees, totally fine with not getting printed out instructions in the box, but just make sure you check out the instructions on the website first. So the one thing they do note is that you want your notches pointed down towards the tailgate and to the right. We stacked all our panels like that, and now we're gonna start putting them together. Okay, so it looks like it snaps together really easily. We have the notches here, got another panel, gonna line it up, tap it in, don't even need a mallet or anything like that. Go ahead and grab the next one. Good to go. Okay, so we got our first 4 together, did a quick fit check. It looks like 4 is gonna be the right length for the back end of an F-150 truck bed. So we're gonna keep putting some more together now, slide that back, and then when we get up past the wheel wells, we'll add some of those extenders on, and then we'll check out the blockers. Okay, so about 4 across and 5 down filled up the bed of an F-150. Now we're gonna put some of those single and doubles on the sides for this wider part here by the wheel well, but all together only took about 5 minutes to put this together, so really pleased with the setup time. Really simple, no tools required. Okay, so filled in here towards the tailgate on the wheel well. Took 3 extra of those single strips, and we got our truck bed filled up. So now we are going to install a ramp kit that we were sent. So they sent us this, it's a little ramp kit. It slides right on in here by the tailgate, and it also has some handle pieces to make it easy to pull out. There's a handle piece, that one has a divot you can put your fingers in to pull out. Back to some regular strips. Another handle. And complete the ramp. Okay, so we got our ramp and handles installed. Let's see how easily this thing slides. pretty easy. Easy to pull stuff from the back up to the front. So nice that it doesn't, it's not too heavy, doesn't stay in place. You can slide it out really easily. So to test out the blockers, we're gonna use one of those standard totes. I think we got this thing at Walmart or Lowe's. We use stuff like this for all of our holiday decorations, camping gear, stuff like that. So a good test, because this is the kind of thing we're usually putting in the back of the truck. So we put it in here first so we could figure out, where we were gonna put the blockers, and we can line them up and then just slide them right in. It was super simple. Add another one on this side, and then we can put additionals in the front. Test it. Yeah, that thing's not going anywhere. I could probably move the blockers a little bit, position it a little bit better, but wanted to show how easy it was just to put those in there, secure the tote. Now this thing's not gonna be sliding around the truck bed. Could also use those extendable and retractable ones. We'll test those out now just to see how they fit too. Okay, so now I just want to take a look at the adjustable blocker. So it has an X here on the bottom too. You just plop that in, and then you can slide it and you can adjust the distance, and then if you want to pull it back or anything in between, pinch those together. Super simple. The kit came with 2 of these, so for your kind of weird sized items or anything like that, you do have the ability to adjust the different blockers to hold things in place. There are a bunch of notches here, so this thing could be a bunch of different sizes. And like I said, the kit came with 2 of these, so between these and the 4 standard blockers, totally customizable to store the stuff. Really like that. And there you have it. That's the Tmat system. Gonna say, all in all, it took less than 10 minutes to put together, set up, put the blockers in, test it with a tote, and literally no tools required. I think the only tool I used was my Leatherman to help open the tape on the box, but entirely put together by hand. Everything snapped together really easily. All of the mats, all of the blockers, everything. Less than 10 minutes to set up. I haven't used it yet, right? We've only unboxed it, set it up, but I think we're really gonna like it. I think it's really gonna help keep stuff safe in the back, not sliding around in the bed of the truck without having to use a bunch of different bungee cords and stuff like that. So really excited to try it out on our next camping or hiking trip. And also Apollo's gonna love it, because that means there's gonna be less stuff in the backseat with him, so he can spread out and enjoy the entire backseat of the truck himself. So we'll put a link to their website in the description below. Highly recommend, based on just this unboxing and testing, that you guys check them out if you're looking for a truck bed organization. And if you enjoyed this video, if you liked the product or liked the description or us, candidly checking it out, then please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Outside Office Hours content. Thank you.